Do you want early access? Do you want uncut reactions? If so, then check out our Patreon. Link in the description down below.
Attention! Hereunto henceforth we shall send invitations to all nations. Yes, even that asshole nation that tried to invade us that one time and almost killed a whole bunch of our citizens. I hear their new king is quite the rapscallion. Anyway, Lord Rimuru, any words you'd like to say? Very well, Lord Rimuru. Anyway, so yeah.
If you were expecting me to roll.
No. I wasn't expecting anything from you, dude. Like that's the thing.
I was not able to pull off anything that quickly. I just realized my disconnect why I couldn't improv him is because I've only heard him speak in Japanese.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, like my brain was wanting to be like "itadakimasu" or something. I don't know, like something like that didn't fit like exactly. You know, it wasn't that good. Like 'cause I only know a few Japanese phrases.
Invitations to all nations or for all nations. So it looks like Rimuru is basically just like laying out the red carpet for a lot of people to come through Tempest and basically potentially, barter and trade and all that. Let's go ahead and get into this. Here we go.
How does that voice sound so familiar?
Henrietta, we can look up who that is later. Uh-oh, Ramirez.
こいつは5部級ミルドの弟子で凄腕の建築士だ。
Ah.
に聞いてって名前をせずに待っていてほしいんですがね。
放棄してこっちに来てるんだよ。
No one asked you to do that.
行く先はなくしたかわいそうな私。
ここはリムル様の領地なんですよ。
泣き落としも通じないよね。こうなったらのベレッタが黙って。何やってるのお前。いやあ激だった。
ラミリス様、新しい木材を用意いたしましたわ。
では先日。このままじゃダメだと思うわけ。私たちも引っ越す。この一応。でもさ、テンペストにはいろいろある。
That's true.
だからね、って話なのよさ。
ですがラミリス様、それはリムル様に考えすぎですわよ。リムル様は優しいお方。こんなに愛らしいラミリス様の願いをラミリス様に関係しないことならば有能なのにという話になりまして。
裏切っ
See, here's the thing. I love training, but she is way too lenient on Ramirez.
急への扉は封印してからこちらにやってきております。
Really?
そういうわけ？ところさリムル、私はここを追い出されると行くや手がなくなる。
かわいそうなラミリス
様。甘やかさないでください。
Exactly.
だったな。
いやいや、俺はいいんですが、警備隊の方たちが迷惑を。
いや、ちょっとエキサイトしちゃって。
Seriously?
小屋を建てようとして警備員に止められたと。それが邪魔だったからトレイニーさんに命じて眠るとかな。いや、そんなことない感じかな。お前なあ。
Inexcusable! 1,000 years dungeon! Though you are cute, you must still be punished. It's like, what is that? It's the hat of discipline.
Do you live in a cave?
自分だけでそんな面白そうなところに出向いたの？いい身分だこと、さぞかし楽しかったのでしょうね。しかも私の使者を名の関しては私が自分で行ってみたかったんですけど。
しかし陛下、あそこは紛れもない魔物の国。
魔王に立ち会うなんて長く生きている私ですら経験したことないのよね。あなた抜け駆けって知ってる？ 身内からこんな扱いをされるじゃない。けしからん話ではないかしら。
How enviable. She was about to say how enviable. She's very, like, jealous of the fact she couldn't go. Oh.
今後どうだよ。
Sorry.
She's just mad because he got to have fun. She wasn't invited.
Yeah.
It's understandable.
とイングラシア王国に店を構える菓子職人でしたか。それが一体しだしとリムル殿からの招待状とどのよう
Assuming
な関係
Rimuru
が
has been providing ingredients for his
Yes.
chef.
知らないんだ。
I would say so.
来てくれたんだけど、あなたはもらってなかったのね。
なんですと。
仕出しはとある人物から材料を仕入れるようになっ
And
た
that's
そうね。
Rimuru.
そのおかげで品質も向上したみたい。これは美味しいケーキだったのよ。
どうしてパパにはお土産ないのエレンちゃん。
For me, that sounds great. For Nick, nah, he's not really a cake kind of guy.
なのか、引っ越すつもりなのか。とにかく店がお休みの間にスイーツが食べられないのは大問題だと思わなくて。
思いませんが、何？
あそこのスイーツが大好物だったから、あれを簡単に手に入れられるようになったらちょくちょくうちに帰ってきてくれると思うのだけど。と参加してくれてるもの。
あいつら。報告するように命じていたのに。
And I guarantee you, she threatened to kill them if they ever told you that she was coming home.
新作レシピまで完全に再現してるわよ。
あ、ではあのレシピというのは
本当に切れ者なの？
面目ございません。
私はてっきりあなたがエリュンちゃんのためにスイーツを毒すような長命種はね、長期計画で利益を得ることを前提に計画を立てるものな
That's
の。
true, yeah.
国の中継点となるのが新興国家であるテンペストということよね。
That's true. Basically, where they're smack dab in the middle, they are the through path. He's trying to make Tempest into Tripoli.
だった。少しでも協力したという実績があれば、通行税については交渉が楽になったでしょう。
私としたことが。
でもしかするとラミリスの力で地下迷宮ダンジョンを作ってもらおうと思う。
Mm.
She gets to make her own dungeon. And
そ
Rimuru
こ
gets
に
to
魔物
help.
をと指導なんかも行えるだろうし、回復薬の販売店も出す予定だ。そこでラミリスがダンジョンを運営してくれたら、仕事帰りの冒険者たちが一杯引っ掛ける店なども繁盛しそうだしな。私が詰めるだけじゃなくて立派なお仕事までさせてもらえるって話なの？俺の話を受けてくれるならそうなるな。じゃあさ、もしかすると無職の引きこもりという現状はできる？これで私も大金をゲットできるってわけや。もう無職だな。電話魔王だのとバカにされることもなくなるのね。よっぽどバカにされてたんだろうな。もろもろはお前の意志で迷宮内に移せるってことか？そうだよ、その通り。すごいな。
Pretty useful.
ぶっちゃけ俺はお前に役立つ能力なんて皆無だと思っていたよ。
Yeah, she's basically able to play SimCity from the sound of it.
That's actually a nifty thing to have.
これで我々の野望は達成されたも同然ね。泥でできてなければいいけどね。
Or concrete. Well, there we go. Sheesh. Well, it's official. Ramirez is now part of Tempest. And not only that, but she's going to be Lord of the New Labyrinth. That's kind of cool. Not gonna lie. I mean, I figured she would be pretty upset if she had to leave, but now they figured out a way to make it to where she can be useful, and she won't be mooching, and she'll actually be able to earn a living. Not bad. Not bad.
You know what I just noticed about that scene right there on the credits, by the way?
What?
Look what's sitting right next to Rimuru.
Cell phone?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's Shuna, right?
Yeah. I guarantee you this is just like custom artwork, and that's a magazine.
I mean, yeah, it's probably just like far future, like, you know, fantasy type thing, you know?
Yeah.
But I wouldn't entirely put it past him to eventually be like, let's make a cell phone, like do it with like magic, you know?
Yeah. Basically, he just like... Well, no, they've already talked about, like, cell towers and stuff like that, you know, connected with his, like, slime tether. I mean, that'd be pretty damn cool. But, yeah. that is awesome. That would be awesome if they are able to do that in the future. But yeah, Ramirez is now part of Tempest, and invitations have been sent out. Gazelle is coming up, and the Empress of the Elven Kingdom is coming up too, which, that's pretty cool. But yeah, I wonder how the other nations are going to respond. Some probably won't even respond at all. I guarantee you, like, if he sends one to Guy Crimson, you know, like the leader of the Demon Lords, he'll probably just be like, nah, I'm good.
I don't know. He kind of seems like the kind of dude that might be like, I heard you guys were throwing a party over here.
Maybe so.
It's like he's that guy kind of dude that like initially came off to me like he was gonna be like a big villain and like a problem and stuff, but after like the whole I forgot the name of it, but the Demon Lord banquet and stuff. You know?
Oh yeah, the Walpurgis.
Like, to be honest, he didn't come off as that bad of a dude.
Well, he wanted to keep things like, fair.
Sexual harassment of other dudes, it seems like.
Well, I mean, he definitely has a thing for Cromwell, which... Anyway, yeah, so that was Reincarnated. At that time I got reincarnated as a slime. Episode 61, Invitations for All Nations. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this. I know I did. This was a pretty fun episode of, like, showing things to come, and also... them building the Colosseum is going to be pretty epic, especially if they have a labyrinth literally right next to it, underground. So, anyway, that's going to do it. So, till next time, everyone, signing off. I am Nate.
I am Nick.
Y'all be good people. Take care. Peace.